lugar de mistério, de rios que se confundem com o mar. Um local com uma beleza sem igual. Esta é a Amazônia. É aqui que há a maior floresta tropical brasileira. E olha só, ela representa cerca de 40% das florestas tropicais do mundo. Você sabia que na Amazônia existem mais de 2.500 espécies de árvores? Tanta variedade torna este ambiente único, um verdadeiro banco de biodiversidade. Mas toda essa maravilha natural é ameaçada todos os dias. Seus problemas ambientais nunca estiveram tão em evidência. O desmatamento e as queimadas na região são as principais preocupações de ambientalistas nas últimas décadas. Calcula-se que nos últimos 4 anos, mais de 77 mil quilômetros quadrados foram devastados. E só para ter uma ideia, a medida é o equivalente aos estados do Rio Grande do Norte, Sergipe e junto. É claro que amenizar essa estatística é um dos grandes desafios da região amazônica. No programa de hoje você vai conferir uma inovação tecnológica que está sendo conhecida no mundo todo e que em breve vai chegar no Brasil. Quer saber que nova tecnologia é essa? É o que eu vou te mostrar no programa de hoje. A empresa Dutchman está sendo conhecida no mundo todo por utilizar uma técnica de transplantação de árvores que não prejudica a natureza. São as famosas pás gigantes. Essa ferramenta contribui para o reflorestamento e urbanização de grandes empreendimentos. E o Negócios na Amazônia aproveitou para conversar um pouco com Marlin Tillart, que é o presidente da empresa, para saber como deu início essa grande ideia.
Well, our company history starts back in 1971. It was a family business and still is. My father started the business called Dutch Master Nurseries. That was a business that grew trees and sold trees to municipalities and landscapers. In 1982, we felt it necessary to start developing the machines that were required to dig trees, plant trees, load trees, and that was the birth of Dutchman Industries. We felt the need because we could not find the equipment available on the marketplace at that time. Dutchman Industries has grown in many ways over the years. It started out as a small family business selling tree spades locally around the Toronto area, and then Ontario, and then it went to the States, and today we sell in many countries around the world. We have traveled in many countries around the world. We have trained people on how to use these tree spades and made sure that these people were successful as we are in moving trees in Canada. We have worked with the Minister of Agriculture of Russia for a number of years. We've worked in the Ukraine, in Romania, in Armenia, in China, the Philippines, Germany, many places in the United States and Canada, of course, as well as Australia, and many more countries to name. We chose the Amazon because we've heard many things about the Amazon and Brazil in general over the last 3 or 4 years. There's talk in Canada about Brazil, there's talk in the United States and the European countries. Everybody's talking about Brazil. Everybody's talking about how successful Brazil's economy is and how things are changing in Brazil. There's a lot of development happening here, and there's a need to use our products in Brazil. Our plans are to partner up with companies in Brazil to show them how to transplant and preserve the environment and the ecology. I believe that the business in Brazil would be very successful because the country is changing. The cities are growing. The economy is growing. Progress brings buildings. It creates larger cities. The technology would have great advantages to the people in Brazil. It would create many jobs. It would create a very large landscape type business for new developments to help keep these developments green, to help keep them beautiful. Hundreds of thousands of people that are employed in this business, whether it's moving trees or planting grass or something to do with landscaping. There's many jobs that are created through this industry. This technology will create many jobs across the country in any place where there is new developments. What our goal is to manufacture 10 models for the Brazil market. The models would be able to dig the palm trees as well as some of the other varieties of trees that are common in Brazil. We would create jobs both in manufacturing, but we would create many jobs in moving trees. In any industry, in any city where there's development, we will be able to move trees. We're not talking about 100 jobs, we're talking about 1,000 jobs or more. This is our goal over the next year to 2 years. After 1 year, we hope to have several machines in Brazil and several hundred people using these machines in Brazil. From that point, we would like to manufacture in Brazil for the Brazilian market and grow our business from that point.
E os planos para o funcionamento da empresa no Brasil são de crescimento em grande escala, desenvolver a marca, gerar empregos e tornar Manaus a base de distribuição dos produtos para outros países.